Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. I'm actually really excited because you guys saw me paint really late, prep, cut, and then I painted the wall the other day, and then I started the styling of the bookcase. It's not 100% completed, but I wanted to go ahead and just share with you guys where it's at now. So the book on the right side has been ordered, so has the sculpture. So I'm really excited when those two things come in. I'll show you the end result, but right now how the bookcase look overall, like, I'm so excited. Not only that, I've written a blog. It's not ready yet, so I'm not gonna tell you guys, click below, but definitely if you haven't checked out my blog yet, there's a link in the description box down below. You can click it, sign up for the newsletter. As things change, as I add things on there, you'll be the first to get an alert on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and share with you guys my bookcase, and then I'll be back. Before I share the reveal with you guys, I wanted to go ahead and share a really quick recap. For those of you guys that saw all the videos, if you wish to skip, then I highly recommend you do so. For those of you guys that are pretty much new to my channel, and I know there's going to be so many questions, of course, these videos are going to be left on the back end of the video and also in the description box. So one of the videos that I shared starting off this entire project was me patching up all the holes. In that video, I spackled the wall, I fixed all the patches, and I even discussed some of the products you're going to be needing in order to start your paint project. Moving on to another video that I posted, I went over how I applied caulk and also wood filler into the fireplace, the raw wood. That way, all of the holes and of course the seams where the two pieces of wood meet, those will be covered. If you've never done this before and you're trying to tackle it, definitely try it. It is really not that hard. I don't know if I'm making it seem easy, but it's really not that hard, and you can definitely do it. All you gotta do is put a little back into it. The next video, I did go ahead and I shared the painting process. I shared the roller, I shared the extension rod, I shared the paint information, I shared all of that. Again, those videos will be left in the description box down below. So if you feel like you have a question, I highly recommend clicking onto those videos. Lastly, towards the end of the video, of the last video that I shared the actual styling of the bookcase. I just did not share the end reveal. I'm going to share that here with you guys. The reason why I'm saying to watch some of these videos, I think it will put things a little bit more into perspective for you if you've never seen my videos before. Like I said, this wasn't like an overnight thing. I've pretty much been working on my house since I've been in it, and now I've been in it for 4 months. For those of you guys that have been here for the entire journey, here is the tour of my bookcase.
Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding, I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Hey. Taking just don't do and live my life. Don't take it personal. foundation. Make a name for generations, please, and make a...
Oh my gosh, I hope you guys enjoyed that. First of all, it was extremely satisfying because walking through the new build, I really wasn't happy with the original fireplace. And I know a lot of you guys didn't understand, you know, how do you move into a new house and you start doing all these things, but personally it just made me really happy. They made me really, really happy to make those changes. And again, they were just small things, tedious at times, but they were like small things that, again, they were just gonna make me happy overall. I honestly looked at it as I was making it mine, and you know, that's what I wanted. I wanted it to reflect me and my personality and like all the things that I love. And the farmhouse fireplace just wasn't me, you know. The new fireplace now, it's bigger, it's much wider, it just looks extremely gorgeous. You know, a lot of times, especially in like my home, the way things are set up, once you kind of get past the entryway, it's like fireplace. And I just wanted that piece to just make a statement, and now I feel like it's doing it, and it didn't have to be anything like outrageous or super crazy. I just wanted something really simple, really nice, and just overall clean. And I really feel like that has been accomplished. In terms of the decor, I hauled 90% of the items I've hauled. There's a mixture of high and low. The man kicking the ball, he was high. The figurine, the globe, orb, man with the ring, high end. The boxes, those are high end. They're from Barbara Berry. Some of them I did pay about $50, $60, $40. Overall, I'm gonna say maybe like $1,500 went into the bookcase, possibly $16, but I already kind of knew that. And the reason why I'm sharing the price with you guys is, of course, for my business. A lot of times people call me just for the bookcase, and it's always good to have a realistic expectation. You can do a lot of things with trinkets, but just having just a really great statement piece in the bookcase just overall turns into like a wow factor, and then you can kind of play around. Very similar to when I tell you guys about your house, like the living room, make a really, really good investment on the sofa, and then everything around that piece can kind of be played around with. All the things that I've pretty much been talking to you guys over the last couple of years, I'm pretty much implementing all those things in my house. I'm a firm believer in doing high and low decor just because it's a little bit more cost effective. Although I have the 3 pieces that are high, I definitely wrapped them around things that were low. I went to Five Below, I went to Home Goods, I went to the Goodwill, and then I had found this little consignment online bookstore, Target. I think that's it. But those were like essentially those places that I went to get the things. So big or small, you can definitely do something creative and bring your home together. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed the video. Definitely see you guys next time. If you're not already, like, comment, and subscribe. And again, I will be leaving my blog down below. I don't think the bookcase is uploaded just yet, but again, sign up for the newsletter. That way you can kind of stay up to date. I'm currently working on something with my assistant, which I'm really excited about. I'm not going to share too much. If you're on my live and you are on my live, then you pretty much already have an idea of what it is. Definitely sign up for the newsletter so that way once things get finalized, you guys will be the first to hear about it. But I'm so excited, you guys. Things are looking so good. I know what you're gonna say. Did I miss the office tour? No, you did not. I've been tweaking it here and there. I'm sure with the paint video, you see my office getting painted. So the white has been done. This has been done. The only thing that I'm waiting for is my lamps to be delivered. And once the lamps get here, then I'll do a tour. But I'm really loving the space overall. It just feels really, really good. And I can't wait to share it with you guys. But anyway, have a really good day. Bye.
Take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. You always posting the pictures, trying to look like you winning, or look like you always be working.